this video, I'm going to show how you can cook millets, barnyard millets in a microwave oven. This is a Wi-Fi smart microwave oven from Samsung. You can cook millets just like rice in many devices like a microwave, a pressure cooker or a rice cooker. I've uploaded a video on how to make millets in a rice cooker before. Today I'm going to show you how you can cook millets in a microwave oven. It needs a little bit of figuring out. If you're used to cooking rice in a microwave oven, it's just the process is just the same, but you have to know the exact cooking times for cooking rice in a microwave oven. Then of course you have to use the traditional utensils for cooking rice. Cooking millets is not very different, it's just about the same, but instead of having a guesswork, this microwave oven has got a specific recipe for rice. So this is the outside of the oven, and if you open it, you have a cooking guide over here, and in the second column we have a recipe for Indian recipes. So over here is a recipe for cooking rice, and I'm going to utilize the same recipe prescribed here for cooking millets. So I will be cooking barnyard millets today. In Tamil it is known as Kudaravali. It has got a glycemic index of less than 50, which is 43, and it is excellent for achieving glycemic control. So those people with pre-diabetes, diabetes and other complications resulting from diabetes can use barnyard millets as a substitute for rice in their diet. I've talked about the benefits of using millets in a previous video. You can refer that up to here. I've also uploaded a video on how to make ven pongal from barnyard millets in a video. Check it out over here. The important thing to remember is that unlike rice, you have to soak these millets in water. So I have taken 1 cup of this size. I have taken 1 cup of millets and poured it in a bowl over here, and to this I have added 2.5 times water from the same cup. So 1 cup of millets and 2.5 cups of water have gone into this. I just did this about 5 minutes ago, and it is about 8:20. I will be waiting for a minimum of 2 hours. It's now 8:20 a.m. As I have to go to the hospital, I will come back and cook it before lunch. So there will be a minimum period of 2 hours before I am ready to cook the millets in a microwave. The longer you soak it, the better it is. 2 hours is minimum. You can soak it overnight also for 8 hours, and then it will be very good. And then after soaking it, it is important to rinse the millets 2 or 3 times. Although pesticides are not used in the cultivation of millets, it is better to wash them 2 or 3 times like you would do for any cereal. This bowl of barnyard millets has been soaking from 8:20 a.m. and now the time is 3:20 p.m. That's adequate soaking. So I'm going to drain the water which I had initially soaked them in, and I will rinse it twice with this. Now I will transfer these millets to a microwave safe bowl. So I'm going to pour 2.5 cups of water. Two and a half cups of water. Leave it open. Open the microwave. Put it. And here in the microwave there is an Indian recipe for 1.2 is for vegetables oblique rice. So just switch on the microwave and then choose Indian recipes. Okay, so then press on, and then you have this 1.5. So 8 minutes. It's going to cook for 8 minutes, and we'll check it at the end of 8 minutes. It has been cooked. So barnyard millets has been successfully cooked in the microwave with the specified recipe mode in the microwave smart oven. So in conclusion, microwave cooking of millets is a very time-saving method of cooking millets. It is very easy to do with the Samsung smart oven. There is no specific cooking time for millets in this oven. You just have to use the cooking time for rice. Use 2.5 cups of water, unlike rice which needs only 2 cups of water, and wash it and rinse it and press the buttons and sit and relax. The microwave will automatically cook it. In between there will be beeps warning you to stir the dish. You can do that, or you can just open the lid and close it and leave it to cook. At the end of the specific time, millets will be definitely cooked and they can be eaten with any side dishes which you want, like rajma, dal, sambar, rasam, Greek yogurt, curd, anything. I hope this video is useful. If you know somebody who is suffering from pre-diabetes and diabetes, go ahead and share it with them. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below in the comment section. This will lead to YouTube suggesting more videos like this in your feed. So if you want to stay tuned to more videos from me, subscribe to my channel A.K. Venkatachalam. I will see you in another video. Cheers.